Come along with us as we explore Paradise Beach Club in Cozumel, Mexico. When you arrive at the port, exit through the main store and go to the left toward the taxis. The first left was crowded, so we went to the second left. The taxi rates are posted, and the cost is $18 each way for up to 4 people.
How many? 4.
4. Paradise. Let's see our crew here.
There we are.
Rain, go away.
I hit the thing.
The drive from the port to Paradise Beach was 10 minutes long. We felt safe and definitely would recommend doing this.
That's when they said on the boat, do not ride those.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we got off the port, didn't just stay there all day. This is great.
Yes, we do. Yes.
Thank you.
And you can do check-in actually right inside there.
When you arrive at Paradise Beach Club, check in, and they will send you to the right if you've already purchased a reservation, and at this time you will pay the remaining 50% balance.
If you need it, we can just pay it. Yeah.
Okay. I'll just pay
We'll let you in.
Thanks.
They will provide you a wristband that is color-coded based on the package you purchased.
Compass. You can use the compass.
A waiter will greet you and will take you to your seat. They will ask you if you want pool or beach views, and if you want sun or shade.
It's very nice. It was about a 10-minute ride over in a cab. It cost $18. Oh, that's nice. Free Wi-Fi?
Wouldn't
Good.
it be roaming?
No, Wi-Fi is fine. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, definitely, I will.
Call Stephanie.
Yeah. Well, I bet that's what that is, yeah. We are in the sand. That's what we've been wanting.
Would you like shade, sun?
Shade.
Yeah, shade.
Hey, good. Thank you, son. Thank you. Thank you. That'll work. That's perfect. Thank you.
The menu, everything have prices, okay? Ignore the prices on the menu.
Okay.
Food, everything is included. And the drinks, in this case, this is not included, it's top selling. with the red star, like this. No
That's
yard.
included?
No, no included.
No.
No yard, just cup.
Okay.
And it's saying under the page menu, no red star. Like in the beer, only national beer included. Dos X, Sol, or Tecate Light. And the last page menu, nothing included. That's top level.
Okay.
No yard, just cup.
Okay,
So
so,
you have non-alcoholic
we
drinks?
can do yes, included. Okay, but red, no include.
No yard, no big drink.
Okay.
Anything says yard.
Password is lowercase paradise.
Hey, look.
Hello! We miss you like a bad cold.
Who's Dad? You want to see where we are?
Perfect time for the song. Let's get out there. How's it feel? Woo, that's
It's a
cold.
little bit, but it's okay.
It'll get there.
It'll get there.
Anyway,
Yeah, once you're standing, your body adjusts to it.
Yeah.
Let's get out a little more. Little fishies there. See?
Yeah. Lots of that.
Yeah, there is.
oh my God. Oh my God, it's the best guacamole in my life.
The guacamole's good?
Amazing.
Great, thank you.
Pepsi,
Yep, right here, thank you.
and I have 4 piñada, virgin piña
Mhm.
colada.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think, Heather?
Do you want something else, guys?
We're good right now.
Good right now?
That's pretty good.
This stuff here is
Mm.
good. Keep it coming.
That is really good. We'll all have to try that.
Share it with me, right?
Thank you.
Because I can't eat all. I
I'm
don't
gonna try one of those. Yeah.
Come on.
Try that. Yep.
I'll have to look at it first.
Good, thank you.
You know this is gonna be good.
Bub is already out there. It's an ocean. It's...
I don't know, but I don't want to know.
Okay, it's better right here.
But that fish can come here.
You saw a fish?
Yes, that's what I screamed because of. Oh, that gave me a heart attack. I was like this.
The public house. Totally worth it. I definitely recommend this. Look at this view. It's great. Love the trees. And we have a little bit of sun, but not a lot, which is just fine. Here's the pool over here. Let's go check this out. It's great. Here's the taco truck. So here are the bed numbers. Starts with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the restrooms. Pretty. So glad we're here. So here are the bed numbers. Starts with 20 over here, 21. Here's a look at the menu. We did the all-inclusive. These two played hard, man. They put those kids to shame out there. He was just tossing those kids over the side. He was helping all the little kids up.
See me run across that thing?
I did. That
Fajita.
fajita, ooh, that looks good. We're gonna get that next. Try it all.
Very hot.
Very hot.
Very strong.
Chicken sandwich,
Right here. Thank you.
bacon burger,
Oh, right here. Right.
cheese,
Yep, thank you.
pizza.
Thank you.
He's eating fish. He's a bunch of little fish. He's eating them. Can't touch the.
Looks good. Here you go, Heather. Water looks nice and clear. Keep going along to the right, you'll see more. There'll be more. See it? Yeah. Anything big?
They're all like this,
Huh.
you know?
Yeah. What a great day. We had a lot of fun here today. This really is the jungle. Look how thick that is. Wow.
Like I said, yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great idea. Can do it? Is it warm? Really? That's pretty over there, huh? This is so nice. We really enjoyed our day today. You tip right at the end, they'll show you your receipt and you can give them cash or you can add a tip onto your receipt. Pharmacy. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Back there, yeah, they're all crammed in there. There he is. Well, show me that. Yep. This is for the dad.
Apple don't fall far.
Yep. That's for John.
This was a great experience and the food was great. We enjoyed the sampling of non-alcoholic beverages. The Pepsi is the best Pepsi I've ever had. At the end, we asked the waiter to close out our bill and pay our tip. He wanted us to sign a paper receipt and circle the pre-calculated tip, and we told him that we will pay cash. I wrote him my receipt cash. On the way home, finding a taxi was a breeze. Taxis are lined up to take you back to the port, and the cost was the same, $18 for 4 people.
Magma. Look at this.
Look at that.
Oh, that was
A full piece sand dollar.
Oh.
You don't usually find these in one
Yeah,
piece.
that's a good one there. Yeah.
You went further down, didn't you?
This is the tongue.
Yeah, we went down that way.
This is the tongue of a lizard. Or a bigger one.
Oh, gross.
That's so good. That's a good
Yeah, you
one.
picture that.
On your
Look at that. Look at that one.
It's been.
Oh, shit. Okay. Look how that's
This is the best.
look how that's got like weird. It's all gross on you.
Yuck.